Oi, zi ma to kan thau present hong turin mo. Avat to kay vurat lakhat. Fekay mo hey. Join tu na han kan pa now tenen kan hong meka anni hi an nu te in laman hong don wangin keni kan present nak tuwa kan hong do na video karon da bonga voin hi ni som hi pali zing dar nga ania mo o zing dar nga ani chu chuanin ke mani present how te len mani ron pek te pokron da how fek don nya o chuanin Christmas tu ka kai ni for present kan hong be thuang u votlo to ka da wai bur ka. What are you eating, baby?
Say cinnamon roll.
Yeah, that's a traditional, right?
This is not.
He's making monkey bread. Christmas morning akan aitor niya. Here, looks good. Yummy, yummy.
Kind of like a cinnamon.
It's cinnamon sugar.
Ah,
Butter.
cinnamon sugar ni. So, mom.
It's a glaze.
It looks yummy. We haven't opened our present. We'll open tomorrow, so we'll see you guys tomorrow.
See you guys then.
See you tomorrow.
Hey, kan primary po ready to. Va le mea bong sa po kan primary pi. Ako'y lai part tak ng ti ko. Mizoram ko sa itiyan lang set ti name lai ti meng o arutel law niya. Atuy ma kan rosa mo. So kanin kan like kakalaw video tay hil ya. In law enjoy kan ring out. So kan present hon tile til sang te. Kan law tilang boko nga. Christmas te in man nuam ka ring he karon post lai lo to ka son so Christmas chawvel ka kan buay lo to ka. Kan thil don te han rem khom te le boy pui tur ne no kha kan lo nga ve box sia chu wangin karon post lai wang kha mi lo ngai dam ula in ngai om to lo to ka rem chang ma sabera karon na life le don nia chuanin Christmas tu ka zingkar ei tur chhangban po ka siam saka chhangban chunga hian coconut te katela tu yan ti ma ilo clear how zelang o chhangban hey chhangban chum coconut nen chuna kan po ya. So hey dan daddy when if you want you can use your hand to peel off the banana leaf and every time you do that you go and wet your finger like that so it will help you not to
Very
sticky.
good. You should be able to just.
Hey tahi kan nei boka. Daddy is so busy what he's doing. Lalzao, what are you eating?
Chhangban.
Yeah. Hey, chhangban, you can dip your finger. That's how you put your finger so that
You
it's
are
not so
so bold.
sticky. Tuy hey ka chop saka. Is it good? Kan azo vek to here boiled egg. Ay hakam puar chhangban ne. Chhangban. Mom say something.
Chhangbang.
Chhangban.
Chhangbang.
Hey, it's good. Chhangbang. It's good.
Chhangban.
Chhangban.
Not pepper. You need pepper, baby.
Chhangbang.
Chhangban.
Is it so sticky?
I
here?
put it on my plate and dip it in it. Okay.
Hey, good morning, Leto. Merry Christmas. Hey, Daddy. Yeah.
Morning.
What's the time?
4 o'clock.
4 o'clock here.
Too early.
If darli ka kai thoi kan hong do na present ui ka samte po la chiang lawa hi lai kan hon turvel nya karon tilang zel don nya oh kapatan kan pek o kay male Tory hong don ni okay zing darli morning oh look at that what's that
It says Raiders.
kamut let's walk to kalamulaw I haven't sleep. It's very okay. Oh. What is that?
Oh, that's awesome.
That's for Christmas
That's
tree.
Christmas tree. Look at that. Santa.
And favorite
Raiders.
football. Anyamo. This from who? Uncle Dan? Okay, we'll open Uncle Dan. Oops. Okay. I'm too excited. I'm like a kid. I don't know how. Oh. Oh my God, Starbucks holiday brand with the cups. Hee hee hee. Thanks, Uncle Dan.
Nice.
Thank you, baby. for whom?
Mom.
Mom. Hey, he Uncle Dan and kanupe kanya hong vele nga. Okay. Wow, that's beautiful. Oh, that's so
pretty?
cute. Yeah, it's so cute.
It's a snow globe.
Oh my God, that's
Oh,
so.
wow.
Oi, hey, present bulan chutil to. Tap tani sumo purto lo to.
Alright. Tory.
Hey, kay Manny Jung, it's from me and Tory, okay? What's that?
Home Depot.
Yeah, it's a Home Depot and then 100, okay? For you to buy
Ooh, thank you.
your painting.
Yeah.
Tory gift to kan zong viang.
This one, Mom?
Mom says you
Yeah.
know who.
For me?
Let me.
Fine, you'll figure it
Do
out.
na, that's the one a present of Hong Viang. From Mom and Dad, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
What's that?
oh man.
Oh,
Look at
clothing.
that.
Oh my God, two
Oh, nice.
pants?
Yeah, thank you guys.
Pants, a shirt. And
Oh
a sweater.
my God.
Shirt.
Oh, wow.
Oh man.
Oh my God, baby. That's beautiful.
Oh man, that is. Thank
Yeah.
you guys.
You're welcome.
Oh.
Yeah, next year we'll.
Okay. What's that? You see there? Oh, what? Raiders again. Raiders fence roof. Ko lang niya yan. Dong ring may. Hey, kapapek. Kanutan. Ang hong viang. Wow. I know it's hard to pack. When I pack it, I break it. That's why I have to double it.
Ah, my Keurig machine.
Ooh, okay. Oh, coffee machine. Like where you make latte and stuff, right? Frosting and all.
Yeah.
That's cool. Kanuli ka pa, mimpe ka niya. Ahong. I didn't cheat though when I wrap it. Kay matuang, ka naman
Good
si.
job.
Wait, I'm so noisy. Wait.
It's okay.
Oh my God, baby. Ay, kaluy pa ba san kan ba chanan niya zu ba niya. Oh. Okay.
Gotta take the paper off of it.
Oh yeah.
The purple.
Yeah.
Oh. I feel like. Oh my God. I'm gonna. Oh my God, it reminds me of the kids. Look what I got. So beautiful. Anal top. Wow. Thanks, Mom, Dad. Oh
You're
my God,
welcome.
so beautiful. I'm gonna be so beautiful.
Oh, the cat's helping now.
Hey, Tory, ah. Uncle din na pick niya. Hong vele do na.
I was in bed shortly after Dan passed out. I went to bed.
Paper na hey kan nok noy. Ito ni hey lang.
There's scissors on Dad's desk.
Okay.
This is from Mom and Dad. Uncle
No,
Dan. Open. Look at Brownie sleeping.
Yeah.
Brownie, are you sleeping? And they put towel for you. Hey, towel ang da sa kaniya. Ito kaya nga ito mo dubig. Hey, kanuli ka pa. Uncle Dan ang
Cans of-
pe kaniya.
Corn.
No,
Looks heavy.
no cans of corn.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Said you want to paint for the house.
What's that?
Oh,
Paint.
yeah.
Get my
Oy, until dahi ka rice cake ka handa.
people. What I thought.
Kapain ka nupe ah. Daddy, buy a gift for Mom.
My goodies.
Ooh, yummy.
So,
What's that?
it's a Bobby from Wifey.
Oh, for Daddy? Okay. Hey, kanui na pe kanya na in Daddy pe ah. Hong me kani kan puyang eh. Aray doon.
Stuff for the house.
A house here. There is the hole here, right here.
It's easier that way.
Oh, what is that? Another Raiders. Oh my God. Oh, it's a bed seat. Oh no, blanket. Wow, that's heavy. Let's open it. Okay, look at Daddy. A new blanket. Hey, football mo. Hala may iwe sa fence rule. Lutukan ni
Yeah, I
bang
got
kanya.
one with pillowcases.
With
Isn't that
pillowcase.
That is cool.
That's nice. Oh, wow.
It's too bad.
Mom and Dad, kanuli ka pa mi pek. What's this?
Oh.
I don't know how to...
Oh.
I lost this. Is that a surprise?
Yeah.
Oh my God!
nothing about it.
I know, that's why.
I know you love eyelashes.
Oh my
So-
God, eyelash set. Hey
Yes.
mo, atar na
It's the
te.
whole
Yeah,
kit.
the blue.
Marilyn
the whole set,
Monroe?
everything,
It's
yeah.
the whole kit, everything.
Yeah,
I thought
it's
she could
beautiful.
play and
Thanks,
practice.
Mom.
Ah, yeah.
You're welcome.
Oh my God.
In that.
Kapahi nga to, to ka
What's the
sinvel,
kids?
to pa blanket
Except for
eh.
ours will last
Hey,
for
Uncle
break.
Den na pe. Oh my God, now he's using his blanket too.
Yeah, he ain't
Uncle
gonna
Den
move.
na pe.
I'm excited.
Golf ball.
Golf ball. Oy,
Oh, how cool.
42.
It's a tree. Turn
Yeah,
it the other
40.
way.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Turn it up. It's
It's
there.
like a
It's
Christmas
tree.
Wow,
How cool is
that's
that?
cute. It's so cute. That daw na luto color. He ka favorite color.
Hey,
Take
Tory's
golf.
turn.
Dad.
Okay, Tory. Ito na Tory na lang hong veang kanuli ka papek. Oh.
Yeah. I would
What's that?
Neo Marino.
What's that?
I don't know. We'll find out.
Oh, okay.
Oh, man.
Oh man, are you going both?
Oh, it's a belt.
Oh,
Oh,
Gong
man.
Shen.
Look at that.
Oh, it's so class.
Oh, that's pretty.
Isn't that
Yeah.
cool? Blown away when we got it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, there's
I
more.
didn't order that.
Hey, this one, it's look like the one Daddy. Oh my God, the one Daddy has.
Yeah.
Raiders.
Now we're matching.
Magic.
Put their tape everywhere.
Hey, Mom and
One
Dad,
on each
na
side.
Uncle
He
Den
could-
and
he
Pe.
could've
I'm
flipped it
just
open.
kidding. Yeah, you're not like
Okay.
him.
All the
Yeah.
goodies.
Rain tree. Oh.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah,
Mozart.
rain tree.
Okay, again.
Goodies
This
for
is
the road.
to
Hey.
Nana from Papa.
Okay, kanuta na niya. Daddy, yepetu. Oh. From Daddy.
From you, baby.
Yeah. That might be the
Katwa
one
man
to
niya.
Nope, it's too light for my dog poop.
Remember I wrapped for him some gift, I told you.
Yeah. Oh, neat. That's better. Oh, nice.
That's a
and
cute
warm
one,
sweater.
right?
Yes.
From Mom. Okay. Oh, kanoy na pek. Wow, that's what?
corn nuts.
Oh, and then hot and spicy.
Yeah, I didn't know what to
Spicy
get you.
Hey, he, nanale. Daddy, pick niya. Mom and Dad.
We can put them in our room so Charlotte don't get in them.
Look at that.
Oh.
Chips. Oh, I need it. Facial wipes, hair clip, nail paint.
Ah, chocolate Santa.
Chocolate, yeah.
Oh.
This
Your coat is
sassy.
black, right?
Yeah.
Good. It's for to go over your head,
Which black?
and then you pull it up over
Oh my God! Oh my God, that's so funny.
That's
Okay.
pretty,
Yeah,
yeah.
there's more. Yeah.
Hair
your
from
ears.
Mom and Dad.
Okay, hey Torita, turn ya. Kanuli ka pa pick. Oh, banana chips,
Hey.
your favorite.
Oh, warm socks.
Okay.
Oh, look at this. We got some
Do you
reading
know where you
glasses
got
for blue
glass?
light
I told
protection.
Mom.
Thank you, guys.
Yeah,
She goes,
to play
"Here,
games.
he needs
Look at that. Man salve for your beard.
Yeah, it shines it.
Yeah.
And gives it
Look at that.
Oh,
Hand cream.
yeah.
Your mom knows better what it is. Oh, face mask like mine.
Oh, very
Yeah,
cool.
we can do together. Another
big
banana chips.
You're talking
What's
about
next?
You just open one, so now it's.
Oh, do
Hey, he. From Daddy, okay? Kapain kanupe kanya.
What could it be? What could it be?
I think it might be dog food.
It's tempting enough to be.
Oh, what's that, Mom?
Moccasins.
Wow, that's a
Oh,
beautiful
I
one.
love
Mom, you
moccasins.
love this kind. That's
These
so
are
nice.
the real kind.
we used to get in
Yeah.
Nevada.
Yep. I
Remember
love
you used to
them.
order them?
What's next? I have one. That's Mom gift. Can you give her first from us?
Yeah,
Kay
it's a
Mali,
freaking
kanu
moccasin.
kapa. Kay Mali. Torian
I
kampek.
thought there was something in there.
I know. I just tried to fool you. That's why I did it.
That's funny.
Yeah.
Okay. Kampek kaniya hi kampanen. Hi.
Oh, she's playing games.
Oh.
Oh.
I choose that color
Nice.
because matching with your walk.
Oh, I like it.
And then they
Thank you.
comes with a bag, a small bag in here. And
In
you
here?
can put
Oh,
it
it
this
does.
one inside. Yeah,
How
whenever you
cool
don't
is
wear.
that? Oh, it's a
Yeah.
hat.
No,
No,
to
the
put
bag. Oh,
this
to
one,
put
you
the-
can roll them as small as
Oh,
you can.
nice. Thank
For,
you,
like,
guys.
camping.
Yeah.
Papa from Uncle Dan.
Oh, Daddy got big one. Is that real?
Heater.
No, I mean it's is that the box is real?
That would be a lot heavier.
This is heater.
It would be
This
a
is
lot
scissor.
heavier.
Okay. Hey, it's humi heater mo kantia heater ni lau ni chu uncle den he awang ve chi na mo abom te hi we heater kan dong ni kantia chunga thil dang dai lau da chin dia ha awang ve
They're
chi.
the ones like I gave Tory, the big one
Yep.
with the internal
It
heat.
is.
Oh,
So you can work on your
practice
short
net.
Yeah.
Because
Oh, what's that?
Yeah.
What is that?
That's the one to na hong liang.
oh,
What's that?
It's a sweater.
I think we are a great family. I told
Oh.
you this.
We got a dress shirt.
Oh
and
my
dress
God!
pants.
What's this?
A sweater and.
Oh my
Damn
God, you're
solid.
spoiled. It's not fair.
Oh.
What? What?
This is that one with
shade?
the dog poop.
Yeah.
What?
Oh, it's yeah, some
Sunglass.
sunglasses.
Very nice. Son.
Yeah.
Oh my God! I'm
Mine got
dying.
stuck in my car.
Yeah.
I'll help you get 'em out.
Oh man, they got wood frame. Look at that.
No.
And then
Okay.
where's the lens? Are you looking through the glasses?
Okay. Let me put it. What I can see? Oh, the road, the car.
Yeah.
Oh my God! But you can't see without the glass.
Exactly.
That's so cool. That's for old people like you.
No.
And sinang oh,
I'm
landan.
like
Oh, who is that? Santa in Kala. Hey, that's
Oh,
what we
yeah,
korte
yeah,
hi
yeah.
nei taule pek ve mo anu ina pe kanya hey.
Cool.
Ui ke korte ui korlum te hin me don no to kan te express ve kan ni hi chu.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Isn't that cool?
Hey, here's Nana le daddy mo. Hongang. I'll open like how the kids open. They were so excited.
Oh, that's the one that you wrapped for yourself.
Oh, I wrapped it and I was like, oh my God, am I getting cheese crackers or something?
Yeah. Getting cheese crackers.
And dog food.
Dog food? I think it's a ring light.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, open it.
That's not the gift. That's mine. It's not the gift.
Okay, there's something else in there, not the ring light.
It's a filler.
Okay, I see. Oh my God.
I thought she would
Yeah.
know
Oh
what
my
a
God, I
blanket.
hate to give an now
Scarlet's
ito.
blanket.
Ikan luka. Oh, now I get it. Oh my God.
Is it not in there?
Mom, it's empty.
Oh my God. Tory, would you get it out of my room?
It's empty.
My room.
Mom, you're
Right next to my
messing.
bed.
Ah! Hey,
Get that
kanuin. Atil te ha gifa ni lau gifa te arwak ve kani tu ma se bedroom ma thukru. Oh my God. What's coming?
Sir.
Hey, bom arwak min hontir khamo min lo surprise du wang khan dress sarania hey thom no da na chung hi u te ne ki na karon tilang don ne details sin kan hong lo meng. Hey chon hong lo meng. Much better. Okay, I'll help him.
There you go.
Ready. Okay. What is that? Look at that.
Looks like a desk.
Hey, Nanai from me and Tory, okay?
Oh, I got a computer desk too.
Oh. When you open, you will know what it is. This one is bigger, okay, Mom? It's bigger. That's why I kept on asking you when you're removing Christmas tree.
Oh, is that where it's going? Yeah.
Hey, he got a present from Daddy. Open it. Kapa present, kati kapa present, kanupe kanihi. I have no idea what it is.
Read the manual.
Oh, I know what it is. Are we gonna open or
Yeah.
we will
Yeah,
tell him?
just so because there's no picture.
Okay.
Just make sure.
Wow.
There's what it is.
Oh,
another
chair,
chair.
Tara, don't ni kapain. Oh my God.
This is one that ain't gonna break.
Yeah,
It's
that's
an
it.
office sturdy chair.
This present we don't know whose because there's no name. Two present tu nge kan sila wa hingom lawa kan win nang ma hong rotya kan endon. I wonder what it is so heavy. Maybe like daddy chainsaw or something. Oh no! I think it's for me because
It is for you.
I don't know what it is, but it say Vietnam, so that's when I know that things I order, I always know what's which country made it. Vietnamese, it's for me. Oh, whew.
She'll need this.
Can we tell how?
No,
Okay,
can't
baby,
tell 'cause
how's
it's-
it now? I will. Hong Ang, mom, thank you, daddy,
Yeah.
thank you. What I
No,
do?
no.
What do I?
Here, do you want me to do it?
No, I'll do it. Woo, it's exciting. Woo, woo.
Yeah, we just put the knife down now.
Oh, there's nothing. It's styrofoam.
I maybe mom food. Maybe she's putting a rock stone.
I told you we had one with dog food.
Oh, this is dressing table. I think. Hey, dressing table, mom. Thank you, daddy. It's white, right? It's white. Yeah.
Yeah, it's white.
Yeah, because it's showing white. So I just.
Well, the wood here, you can see.
Oh, it's white. Yeah.
Bye. Merry Christmas. Hope you enjoyed.
Yeah.
Hi, Merry Christmas.
Yeah.
Hi, Merry Christmas.
Bye bye. Merry Christmas, Veku. Bye bye, ule.
Bye.